Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to change status of voucher entry. Click on Voucher Register button. From Voucher Register page, we see that pending status is shown as unpaid. We can delete or download voucher by click on Action button. Now, select the voucher and click on Bulk Action menu button and select Mark as paid. Click Yes to change status of voucher successfully. Now we will see the selected voucher's status is shown as paid. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.